बॉडी मोबिलिटी केअर 2 ॲम्ब्युलन्स तुम्ही पळयला. एक जी आमची ल्हान ॲम्ब्युलन्स आसा व्हीलचेअर स्ट्रेटअवे भितर घालपाक मेळटा. दीस इज मेंट फॉर पीपल वीथ डिसेबिलिटीज हू आर स्टक टू द व्हीलचेअर. नॉर्मल ॲम्ब्युलन्स कितें जाता, उखलून कितले त्रास 4 लोक जाय पडटा, 5 लोक जाय पडटा आनी व्हरपाक मेळना. दुसरी ॲम्ब्युलन्स आसा ती तेज्याहून व्हडली आसा आनी तितून इवन 2 व्हीलचेअर बरोबर घालून ताका हायड्रॉलिक लिफ्ट आसा. हे दुसऱ्या सिटींनी आसल्या फर्स्ट टायम तें गोंयान इंट्रोड्यूस जाता आनी म्हाका खुशी की हें दाबोलीसून जाता. मिसेस लांबा हू इज द मेन पर्सन बिहायंड दॅट, कोमोडोर पादिया एंड ऑल द अदर कलिग्स, they serve society with their passion. कितें तरी करपा जाय समाजा खातीर आनी रिचींग आउट टू means disabled people, especially as against the recent Propel Fest what we had in Goa. It is something building up on that. That they really care for means this type of people who otherwise are disabled. They cannot be on their own. They need a wheelchair, and moreover with the hydraulic lift, you just put them inside. So right now they may be having 2 vehicles. In future they plan to have more vehicles and see that it operates as a service to all these type of people. So I think this augurs very well for society and people at large to take advantage of that. I congratulate them for taking this initiative and getting this initiative to Goa. Even from Dabolim Airport, suppose somebody with disability arrives, they will be having their numbers and all. They will contact them, immediately they will go. If you have somebody totally disabled, if there are no people to lift, there's a hydraulic lift will lift you and put you in their vehicle. So this is how they are going to operate. Vehicle will be, they have to decide where to locate it. At least for the time being, I think for some days it will be lying here for more than 15 days to see how it works. And if they find another better place from where more people can take advantage of it, it will be better.
Yes, thank you. Initiative that is being taken up.
This is an initiative which I would like to thank Honorable Sir that we were able to do over here in Goa. And मैं दिल से कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर ऑनरेबल ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर हमारी सहायता नहीं कर पाते तो नहीं देते, और he won't have listened with so much of dedication, we won't have been able to register this wheelchair enabled vehicle over here in Goa. As it is, Goa is a very tourism prone area. There's a lot of tourism which flows into Goa, and we have a lot of foreign clients also here. Apart from domestic clients, we have foreign tourists also. So with this initiative that he's brought forward, so I think there will be like more inflow of tourists, not only for tourism but for medical tourism also to Goa. And ये जो vehicle registered हुई है, this is the first wheelchair accessible vehicle registered in Goa, and I think it would be the first in India also. And we are very, very grateful to Honorable Transport Minister Shri Movind Godwinji, and the team has been really, really very, very helpful. And वो तो सारों की effort से, मतलब मैडम ने हमारे को ड्राइवर भी अरेंज करा दिया, एंड द ड्राइवर हैज़ टू बी ट्रेन्ड ऑल्सो, बट ऑल क्वालिटी सब कुछ बैठ जाता है इफ़ द विजनरी इज सच दैट हू थिंक्स दैट दिस कैन बी डन. अगर ये नहीं सोचते कि ये हो सकता है तो कुछ भी नहीं होता.
मॅडम इसका कोई हेल्प
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.